Hey there everyone and welcome to the vlog. Carlo here. Today we're checking out the collaboration between Publish and Reebok. This is the Publish Reebok Club C UltraKnit. So why did I get this pair? There are actually three main reasons why I want to get this. Number one, the first is I wanted something different. If you walk around the malls today, a lot of people are wearing Adidas, a lot of people are wearing Nike and Jordan. So I just wanted a pair that would be a little more different than what everybody else had. So Reebok came to mind, and it's not, I don't know if that's super popular in the Philippines, but I don't see it a lot where I go. So I really wanted to try them out. So that's number one. I wanted something different, something unique, but still me. Number two, the aesthetic of this particular collaboration really talked to me. I won't get into it too much now, but later on when we get to the shoe, you guys will see. It's something that can be polarizing. You'll either love it or you'll hate it. Fortunately for me, I love it. And that's the reason why I immediately got out and bought it once I saw that it was available here in the Philippines. By the way, it was exclusively offered by Soul Academy here in the Philippines for a little less than 5,000 pesos. And number three, technology-wise, I really wanted to see the difference between UltraKnit and the rest of the knit technology that the other companies have. So if Adidas has Prime Knit, Nike has Fly Knit, Reebok apparently has UltraKnit. So I want to get the feel of the three knits, of the three uppers, so that moving forward, I know which one would be better for me. So here it is. There you have it. So as you guys can see, it has words printed here and words printed on the lacer. It has a primarily black upper and a white mid and outer sole. So before anything else, let's try to talk about the main thing, or one of the things that I really wanted to know about the shoe, which is the UltraKnit upper of Reebok. So this is supposed to be their answer to the Adidas Prime Knit and Nike Fly Knit. Now, when I put it on my feet, two things immediately came to mind. Number one, it's heavier and a bit looser compared to the Fly Knit of Nike. The Fly Knit on the Vapor Max is something that's almost like a 1:1, very thin sock type of feel that you get to your foot. The one on this one is a little more thicker. It's a little bit heavier, and it's not that one-to-one feel that you get with the Fly Knit. Having said that, it's not that bad, because if you want something that has a little more structure, that has a little more, I don't know, just like rigidness or toughness, then that's what you get with this one. It's still breathable, don't get me wrong, but it's really not as lightweight and as thin as the Fly Knit of Nike. Now, compared to the Prime Knit of Ultra Boost, now this one is actually more comparable to that one. Personally, I feel that the Ultra Boost is still more breathable and more flexible than the UltraKnit of Reebok, but the difference, I think, is not that much big of a deal anymore, wherein you would immediately decide for one over the other just because it was that. So again, this is the this is the UltraKnit of Reebok. So that's the whole upper that you have from the front to the sides and to the back. Now, for the midsole, it actually looks like it's just one block, the midsole and the outsole, but you actually have a EVA cushion encased in the outsole rubber. So these two things that you see here and the entire bottom is the outsole rubber. So the rubber actually encases the EVA or EVA, whatever you call it, cushioning foam in the middle. So what happens is you get a longer, the shoe lasts longer because the rubber encases the foam in its entirety. Well, that's how it's supposed to work, but I don't know if that's actually how it will pan out. But that's what you get. So that's what you have in terms of the build and the technology with the shoe. Style-wise, now again, I mentioned in my previous vlogs, I'm not a style expert. I feel that style is highly personal, and that's again the reason why I decided to go for this shoe. I love the fact that it's primarily all black, and I love the way they were able to use the text around the sides and on the laces. But more importantly, I love what the text says. So let me just read it out to you guys. Today for tomorrow, morning till night, decompress and relax. Let it speak to you now, never forever. So I don't know what that means specifically to you guys, but to me it really captures the essence of what I look for when it comes to life. I'm really more of the in the moment kind of guy, but not necessarily the too carefree or too careless. It's really more of just getting a feel for where you should be. So I'm all about intuition. I'm all about making bets on things that you feel that matter depending on what you see. So I feel that this particular statement really talked to me and really captured a lot of the philosophies that I have in life. And that's the reason why I picked up, the real reason why I picked up the shoes. That and the fact that it wasn't too expensive compared to the other shoes that I've been buying in the past. Now, apart from the text here on the side, it's also in the laces. And at the back, there's a heel guard for Reebok, and then you have the published branding here. On the other shoe, it just says Reebok. So you have Reebok, and then you have publish. So there you have it. That's the Reebok Publish Club C UltraKnit pair of shoes. Again, this is exclusively available in Sole Academy. I'm not sure if they still have it in stock. They're probably run out because they only brought in a limited number of units, and when I picked mine up, this was the only one on display. So I'm not sure if they still have any, but if you guys want, just check it out. Go to their store. They have several branches. I'll put a link down below of their Facebook page so you can check it out. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. If you haven't yet, please do subscribe. It helps the channel a lot. And if you like this, please hit the like button below. It really helps a lot with the channel. Peace.